Just got out of the shower and I realized I forgot my soap in the shower, and somebody went in there, so I wasn't about to go ask them, hey bro, can you pass me my soap? So now I gotta go get some new soap. It's okay because the bottle I got was too large for my bag, so we gotta get some travel soaps, which will be an upgrade. I'm gonna change my shoes because my feet stink in these shoes now. I've never had a van foot before, and now I do. So I gotta change these shoes, get some foot spray. Yeesh. I think I'm just gonna start wearing slides just to keep my feet from getting so damn morshed, if you know what I mean. If you guys know what I'm talking about, van foot, leave it in the comments. Me and the wife have van feet now. It's kind of like swamp foot or duck butter, kind of in the same vein. So yeah, shower life. So change my shoes real quick and we'll be right back. Times all I think about is you. I tell you, there is nothing like a warm jacket, clean underwear and clean socks, and a sandwich. I feel like a turkey sandwich today for dinner, and I'm gonna have it. So yeah, we're gonna head into the market and get some supplies and enjoy a lovely evening in the van, eating dinner, watching Below Deck. You guys remember all that hype that they were talking about? There was going to be food shortages. I think they're playing us for some fools. Well, the sandwich was delicious and I'm beat. Every time, every single time a motorcycle drives by, he sets off my alarm. But anyways, the sandwich was fantastic. We're gonna start getting ready for the night. No, I'm talking. And this is where I gotta empty out the toilet for the evening and the pee bottle. And these are the things that we gotta do to get ready. So I'm too tired to watch Below Deck with Captain Lee tonight, so we're probably gonna do that another night. But today was interesting. I met another van lifer and she had lots of experience and knowledge with how to do this, and I picked up some gems and I helped her out and I fixed her car alarm for her. Hello to Cheryl. I wanted to say what's up to Jackson. I saw you yesterday. But he's got the Action Van lift kit on there, I believe. I know you're gonna get your channel back up, and when you do, let me know. But yeah, no nap today, so I'm beat. As you can tell, I'm pretty haggard looking. We're almost 30 days in, and I'll do an update video of the 30 days of van life so far. But I'm ready to to hit the hay right now. So I'm gonna turn this thing off, clean up the van, get the bed ready, put on some PJs, and somebody drove by and said they just farted. So on that note, I'm going to get ready to turn in. Be sure to like the video, be sure to subscribe if you're new, and thank you to everybody that has subscribed in the last 30 days. And thank you to everybody that has left a comment with tips or tricks or anything that that can help me live this crazy life right now. We'll see you on the next one. Peacey weesey.